want to learn my last insights onto this ring light, whether you should buy it or not, continue on to the video. Hi guys, so I'm back with another video, and we're going to be doing a Neewer light review. So I'm going to be... You're going to get a couple of boxes actually. And here is one, and I'll be explaining everything, but I'm just going to do like a quick unboxing of what you guys get. So you'll have instructions with the ring light. First thing I'm going to do is assemble the tripod, and according to the instructions, alright, so according to this, you're supposed to spread the legs out, and these are just going to go out like this. And you know what, I'm going to show you a farther view of what I'm doing. So you pretty much move the tripod legs and you bring them all the way down, and this is what I have right here. And the next thing the instructions say to do is to assemble this little pole, and I'm pretty much going to screw this onto this little base right here. Yeah, here's the base of the tripod, and I'm just going to assemble the screw on, and in order to do so, I'm just going to loosen this up until it fits. Let me give you guys a little close-up of this. So you'll know when it's loosened enough when it goes all the way down. There you go, guys. So when you unscrew it completely, then that's when you know you loosened it up just enough. And then you're gonna just tie the bolt in like so. Wait for my camera to focus. Come on, camera, there you go. So that's the second step. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is to assemble this thing. But it says I need to attach these little orange, I don't really know what these are called. These are called color filters. So it says first mount the color filter at the bottom of the ring light, then mount the other 3 color filters in order. So yeah, I'm going to be working on this step right here. So this part is pretty self-explanatory, and I'll just do a height and view so you guys can see what I'm doing. Last but not least, this one goes like so. So when you're attaching it, just make sure you overlap them properly. So you'll have the light filter, and it has these ridges, and then these literally just clip right on top. So just make sure you're doing that right. These things pretty much attach like a puzzle. That's how you clip it in. Okay, this one's done. All right, the next thing I'm gonna do is attach. Huh? I'm so happy. Oh, yay! So the last piece we're gonna do is attach this little bracket, and how you attach it is you loosen these pieces up right here, and then it literally fits right in. So you have to loosen it a little more for it completely to fall all the way down. There it goes. And once you hear it click, just unscrew it back in. We got this, honey. Okay. And then you're just gonna literally loosen it, tighten it up until you can't tighten it up no more. And let's just keep on going, honey. We're almost there, yes. All right, so it's pretty tight right there. And then we're also gonna tighten this part right here. If you guys can see that, let's make this better focus. Perfect. Yeah, so we're gonna tighten this little knob right here. You wanna tighten it, honey? Is it tight, you think? All right, guys, and that is the stand. I'm gonna show you what it looks like from afar. It was pretty easy to set up once I figured it out. And the cool thing about this little thing right here is it bends, so depending on how much light you need, it bends whichever way you want it to. And I'm just gonna go plug this in. Good job, and we're gonna clip it. Show you guys what it looks like. I think you did it. Are you excited that you helped me set up the lights in? Was that hard?
No.
It wasn't, huh? All right, high five. Oh, we don't need that one. All right, guys, so I'm gonna show you just what it looks like from afar. We still have to pick this tree up, but let's move this chair out of the way. Ooh, let's just not do that. Sorry, honey. Excuse me. Alright, so I'm just going to plug this in. Yes, honey? I don't know what that is. We have to figure that out. So the cord is pretty long. Hopefully nothing goes out of place. No sockets are popped. And let's see. How do you turn this thing on? Oh, Wow, that's so cool. Wow, how awesome is that, Ellie? Whoa, okay, you can turn up the brightness. Oh, nice. So, as you guys can see, I'll show you what it looks like, but yeah, this is where you can see how bright everything is and how dim it can be. So that's pretty awesome. So with this filter, you guys have 2 filters when you get it in the mail. And this one from Amazon is $100, about $99. So I think this is really good because the fact that you can change out the lights, and I don't know why we would want an orange light, but just in case you want like a really cool artistic effect, the orange light is really nice. And then I'll show you guys what it looks like with the filter on. But yeah, so I'm gonna put the camera behind the ring light, and then you guys can see what my face looks like. This is me, guys, without any light. So Joe, take a picture. Do I need to go back, forward? What do I need to do?
Right there's good.
Okay.
Take a picture?
While filming, it's okay. Alright guys, so this is me without any light. This is with all light. And this is with light. Ah! This is with the ring light at the brightest power it can go. If you're a photographer, this would be amazing. If you have a photo booth, you could put this ring light there, put your backdrop, and boom, you have a whole setup. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Not with my finger.
I know. I'm actually gonna do another demonstration with the camera behind. I'll show you guys what it looks like when I have the white color filters on, so you guys can make an informed decision what you think. But so far, like, I'm excited to do some makeup tutorials with this light and see just how bright everything is. So yeah, let me just turn this off and then I'll show you guys what everything looks like with the white filters. Alright guys, so the next thing that I'm going to talk to you about is how to attach this base mount onto your ring light. And at the bottom of it, you'll have this square little base, and this is what actually gets attached to the bottom of your ring light. And it literally just slides. Okay, let me bring this up a little bit. And it's literally just going to slide to the bottom. Now you'll notice you'll have these 2 screws at the bottom, and the bottom screw just basically allows you to secure your base mount onto your ring light. And you'll also see that there's a top screw. Now this thing right here moves. And so when you screw this top base all the way up, it allows you to secure. So when you secure that top screw all the way up, it pretty much allows this little base not to move. And so that's the purpose of that. Now you'll notice this little thing right here. What is that for? If you loosen it up, this thing moves. So you could literally, you know, be changing your camera, whichever you have mounted in any direction. It goes 360, so that's really awesome. And then you just tighten this up and it stays in place. So this is pretty much it for my ring light review. I'm also going to show you guys what the light looks like with the white clear cover on. And I'll just give you my final thoughts at the end. So we're just gonna attach these in right now. So guys, as you can see, I just attached the white base onto it.
Mommy, can
yes, honey?
on?
Yes. And then my assistant here, you ready, honey, is going to show you guys what this light looks like. Ooh, now look how bright that is. Can you adjust the light, please? Thank you. And so this is her dimming the light a little bit. Can you do a little more? All the way till it shuts off. And then turn it back on again. You guys can see what that looks like. Alright guys, so we are back, and this is the ring light with the white light filter. I'm just going to show you guys what the light it emits looks like. So this is me with no light, and we are adjusting the light brightness. So if you're making those makeup tutorials, this is what your light can look like. So you guys can see how different it is, and you could be shooting at all times of the day. So this is really awesome. And I think for $99, this thing is completely worth it. So if you guys want to learn my last insights onto this ring light, whether you should buy it or not, continue on to the video. I'll pretty much film the rest of the video with it on so you guys can see what it kind of looks like. But okay, Joe, you're gonna blind me.
This is full exposure.
This is full exposure, and I'm literally blinded. And this is it just going, the exposure going down and decreasing. So I think this would be great for makeup tutorials, like I mentioned earlier. I mean, if you're filming like a video if you're a photographer and you maybe want to have a photo booth and you want a ring light to emulate your background, this is amazing, and it only costs $90, so I definitely give it a thumbs up. If you guys are looking for something on Amazon to maybe step up your YouTube game or any type of videos, it could be for Instagram, your selfies, whatever it is, this is amazing. I think if you can just save your money before you invest in the one that costs like $6 to $9, I think this is worth it. The fact that it has an adjustable light makes it better than others because you can, let's say if it's really dark late at night and you want to film a video, but you may not have light stands, you could adjust the light. I think it's worth it. Another thing that I like, you have 2 light filters. If you want more of an orange vibe, go with the orange filter. If you like the white vibe, go with the white filter. I personally love the white vibe. What do you think? Was it easy to set up?
Yeah.
So what do you think about it? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Do you think they'll be able to set up at home? Yeah? Yeah, I really like how there's instruction manuals. It comes in various different languages, which is always nice, so that everybody can read English. Sorry for the changing of the lights. That may be annoying. Let's just keep it at one light source. Oh yeah, one more thing. So I really like the fact that it has this bag here. So if you're traveling, this is great. You can bring this around with you, and it's pretty sturdy. And I just think the instructions are really nice. You love your Amazon shipping. It comes shipped in a couple days. So yeah, I think this is totally worth it. I would give it a whole pass, smash, whatever it is. It's 5 stars. So yeah. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video.
I'm gonna give it 1 million stars.
1 million stars. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
I'm gonna give this 1,000,000,1,500,000.
Just rated this thing 1,000,000,1,500. So Neewer, you guys did a good job. I hope you guys really love this video. If you want me to review more videos for growing your YouTube channel.
Everyone's gonna like that.
Oh, they are? All right, honey.
And everyone's gonna watch you.
Oh,
and
thank you,
everyone
Ellie.
will say, so cool, so cool, so cool.
Give me
and then they give you a big thumbs up.
Oh, give me some thumbs up and say it's so cool down below. Okay, guys, so definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you're new. And if you want me to review more.
Grab it below in our video. See you, bye. And maybe a cupcake or a unicorn or a pet unicorn.
All right.
Bye.
Bye, honey.
See you later.
You're so funny.
Can I finish the video?
All right, guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Leave a comment down below if you want me to review any things on Amazon that you're not sure if you should pass on. It's too bright. I definitely love this thing. I'm excited to use it. So yeah, stay tuned for my next video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.